The Brisbane Riverbank House by Owen Architecture is less a structure imposed upon the landscape and more a careful, organic extension of the lush bushland that cradles it. Beginning with the bones of an original 1930s residence, a house originally conceived as a place of shelter from the outdoors, the architects embarked on a macro-planned vision to transform it into a home that breathes with its surroundings. This vision was realized through the strategic placement of an additional pavilion structure, a decisive move that didn't just add floor space, but fundamentally reshaped the property's relationship with its site. By embracing the warm climate setting, the design prioritized the creation of curated outdoor rooms, recognizing them as being just as vital to the living experience as the enclosed internal areas. This master plan approach resulted in the emergence of two distinct, yet complementary, outdoor courtyards, each serving a separate purpose and engaging with a different facet of the site. The first, and most outwardly focused, courtyard sits prominently on the riverside, a generous expanse of lawn and garden that opens itself fully to the vista of the Brisbane River. This is the home's communal heart, a space for broad, sweeping connection with the environment. Contrastingly, the second courtyard occupies the opposite side, engaging more intimately with the street edge. This reclusive space, bounded by a series of garages built to house the owner's car collection, is a more private, paved, and sloping external area, offering a quiet entry condition and a sheltered retreat from the world. The architectural language of the house is one of grounded openness, heavily influenced by both the existing 1930s character and the rich, earthy hues of the bushland context. Owen Architecture proposed a relaxed aesthetic, ensuring the home does not impose itself but rather works comfortably within its setting. This commitment to being embedded in the site manifests clearly in the materiality. Extensive use of brick and terracotta, a palette imbued with earthiness, forms retaining walls, stairs, and flooring throughout the property. This textural robustness, both inside and out, anchors the structure to the sloping ground and consciously connects the home's parts to its surroundings, reinforcing a sense of purposeful humility. In its final form, the Brisbane Riverbank House is a steady and harmonious contrast, immersive in its bushland setting yet open to the river and the sky. The house manages to seamlessly blur the boundary between built form and nature, with glazing and doors acting less as simple bounding edges and more as permeable thresholds. The resulting home is uniquely positioned to offer both expansive, outwardly focused views and private, reclusive spaces. By listening intently to both the site's natural cues and the client's desire for a relaxed environment, Owen Architecture has delivered a residence that is consciously designed, responding to its riverside bushland context with an honest, grounded warmth.